stop. Before you delete another app or game to try and speed up your PC, you need to see this. Your computer isn't slow because you have too many files. It's sluggish because of a hidden vampire setting in Windows that is turned on by default. It literally eats your RAM and steals your internet bandwidth in the background while you're trying to game or work. Most people think they need to uninstall big applications to fix lag, but the real problem is that your PC is acting like a server for strangers. I'm going to show you exactly how to turn it off in 10 seconds. First, go to your Start menu and click Settings. On the left side, select Windows Update. Now we need to dig a little deeper. Click on Advanced Options. Scroll down until you see Delivery Optimization. This is the culprit. Click it. Here is the truth about what this feature does. It uses a peer-to-peer system. When this is on, your PC acts like a torrent seed, uploading update files to other people's computers all over the internet. It helps Microsoft save money, but it costs you speed and performance. See that toggle that says Allow downloads from other devices? Kill it. Turn it off. Now your PC is no longer wasting resources on background uploads. We have one final step to lock this in. Go back to the main Windows Update menu and click Check for Updates. This forces your system to resync directly with the official servers, ensuring a clean, stable connection. And you're done. You just reclaimed your bandwidth and stopped a major background process. If your PC feels snappier, drop a like and subscribe for more optimization secrets. Thanks for watching.